Hey Money Loves, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, today I have some new hair in and I am absolutely loving it. This hair is from SuperNovahair.com. I will have the links for everything down below. This is their 99J bundles and also their 13x4 frontal. So they sent me over some bundles and a frontal. I have the frontal in 20 inches, the bundles in 20 and 2 24s, well 22 and 2 24s. So I did make this into a wig. As you can see, this is how the wig turned out. And I do have my little parting right here on the side. And I have to keep it real with y'all and let y'all know that this frontal, like the hairline was super full. I had to pluck this hair a lot. I had to pluck this hair so much. I filled up half of my trash can. Like, that's how full this frontal came, which can be a good thing and a bad thing. It's bad because you have to pluck it, but it's good because you'll know that this frontal will last you a really long time. But other than that, I really love this hair. I absolutely love this 99J hair color because it is literally the perfect holiday hair color. Like, this is gonna be my Christmas hair. It might be my New Year's hair. Like, yo, come through SuperNova with this hair. Like, I just can't. And it comes pre-colored like this. And yeah, all I have to do is just make the wig, and honey, I'm in love. Like, so for this video, I just showed you guys me getting all glammed up, doing my makeup and doing my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I installed it and also applied my makeup. If you guys want to see my full makeup routine, I do have a whole nother video with me showing the products and everything. So you guys go check that out in the link above. And I will let you guys go ahead and watch this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Tell me what you really like. You and I and nobody else. I like it. I want you, baby. Talk that, baby. Can you feel it? I wanna feel the way that we did that summer. Don't be afraid to catch feelings. So hey, baby, gonna let me know. Keep my hands on myself. Know how to turn it on. So let me get to work right now. Can we be friends? I wanna hear you sing it. I've been hearing symphony. Didn't end this so good. I'm wondering, some songs got me feeling like something just like this. Don't act like you know me, you don't know me. Say, hey, now, baby. I like me better without you. All you have to do is stay a minute, just take your time. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. I will be right by your side. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'll put you with my love. She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands and baby, I just want. Man, I feel just like a rock star. Moscow. What about all the times you said you had the answer? Moscow. I've been that girl who has to play it safe. Cause I got issues. What about us? But I can't help falling for. I'm the way I wanna be like, look what you just made me do. Still thinking thinking of me, just like I know you should. You just hate the thought of me with someone who ain't getting over him. Just stop your crying, can't stop the tears. You are. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on. Got me thinking about when you were mine. All that you want, boy. All that you want. All that you can have, boy. Got me spread like a buffet, bon night. Now they always say congratulations. Come and strip that down for me. I'm on my way. Girl, come and strip that down for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. In my direction, hands on each other. Where should we run to? I wanna follow where she goes. Tell me what you really like. You and I and nobody else. I like it. I want you, baby. Talk that talk, baby. Can you feel it? I wanna feel the way that we did that summer. Don't be afraid to catch feel. Feel it coming. So hey, baby, gonna let me know. Keep my hands on myself. Know how to turn it on. So let me get to work right now. Yeah, spicy. Get it up. Can we be friends? Yeah. I wanna hear you sing it. I've been hearing symphony. Don't wanna sing that songs anymore. No, we didn't end this so good. I'm waiting for it. Light it on you. I'm wondering, 'cause your songs got me feeling like something just like this. Nah, nah, yeah. Don't act like you know me, like you know me. Nah, nah, yeah. You don't know me. Say, hey, hey, now, baby. I like me better with the way you know, I like me better. All you have to do is stay a minute, just take your time. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. I will be right by your side. I'm way too good at goodbye. I want you with my love. She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands. And baby, I just want. Man, I feel just like a rock star. Moscow. What about all the times you said you had the answer? Moscow. I've been that girl who has to play it safe. 'Cause I got issues. What about us? But I can't help falling for. I'm the way I wanna be like. Look what you just made me do. So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. You just hate the thought of me with someone who ain't getting over him. Just stop your crying, can't stop the tears. You are. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on. Got me thinking about when you were mine. All that you want, boy. All that you want. All that you can have, boy. Got me spread like a buffet, bon night. Now they always say congratulations. Come and strip that down for me. I'm on my way. Girl, come and strip that down for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. In my direction, hands on each other. Where should we run to? I wanna follow where she goes. Tell me what you really like. You and I and nobody else. I like it. I want you, baby. Talk that talk, baby. Can you feel it? I wanna feel the way that we did that summer. Don't be afraid to catch feel. Feel it coming. So hey, baby, gonna let me know. Keep my hands on myself. Know how to turn it on. So let me get to work right now. Yeah, spicy. Get it up. Can we be friends? Yeah.